Hugging face transformers are a popular choice for many NLP tasks, but have you ever wondered how to make them run faster? In this tutorial, we'll explore how to optimize hugging face transformers using dynamic padding. One of the biggest challenges when working with transformers is dealing with slow model performance. This can be frustrating, especially when working with large datasets. So, how can we improve model performance? The answer lies in dynamic padding. By enabling dynamic padding, we can reduce the latency of our model and improve overall performance. Let's take a look at how to implement dynamic padding in our code. We'll use the auto model for sequence classification and auto tokenizer from Hugging Face. When working with dynamic padding, there are some best practices to keep in mind. For example, make sure to monitor your model's performance and adjust the padding as needed. That's it for today's tutorial on optimizing Hugging Face transformers with dynamic padding. We hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and optimization techniques.